Today, modeling and simulation is usually done with the help of computers made. The simulation process runs in the following steps. 1. Develop a model concept and model structure. 2. Development of the simulation model. 3. Perform simulation. 4. Checking the simulation model. And finally, documentation. In the model concept, the task of the simulation, the boundary between model and environment, as well as the input and output variables of the model is defined. Subsequently, coherent parts of the model are defined, and their effects are described qualitatively among themselves. This results in submodels. The submodels and their mutual effects give the structure of the model again. The structure thus provides a qualitative description of the model components and their interactions. During the development of the simulation model, the necessary equations formulates the parameters contained therein. During the simulation, the model equations are calculated, with special calculation methods numerically solved. The initial values must be determined beforehand. The verification of the simulation model is a decisive step in the simulation process. Among the possible tests are plausibility check or qualitative analysis, quantitative analysis at certain status points, comparison with real data, comparison with simplified models. Finally, the simulation results together with the simulation model, the parameters and the initial values. Today we are modeling a system again. The ball is now held by a spring on the ceiling. The system is in balance when the spring force and the weight force are equal. Such a system is also called a spring pendulum. The position y of the ball is to be simulated when the ball is released at time t equals 0, with the spring released.